In this episode, we're going to look at how to solve one of the most common challenges in AI-generated video, keeping a character visually consistent over time. As a video progresses, details like facial features or skin and hair textures can slowly change. When consistency really matters, image references can make a big difference. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine we have a character we want to turn into a video while keeping the same face, textures, and overall appearance as it moves. For this example, we'll use Kling01, which supports image references. Instead of placing our character image in Start Image, we add it to the image reference slot. In this model, once an image reference is added, the Start Image slot is no longer available. But that's not a problem. If we want the video to begin from a specific image, we can simply include it in the prompt. By referencing it, for example, with @image1, the model knows the exact image to use. We can also upload multiple reference images of the same subject. In this case, we start with our main image, and then add a few additional images showing the woman's face from different angles. This will reinforce her visual identity across each frame of the video. As the scene progresses, the model continuously checks against these reference images, helping preserve facial features and their overall appearance throughout the clip. From here, we write the prompt as usual. The prompt defines what happens in the scene, how the action unfolds, and how the camera behaves. Inside the prompt, we can also reinforce constraints such as maintaining facial texture or keeping the character's appearance consistent. This gives us an extra layer of control. Once everything is ready, we choose the highest quality available, set a duration that makes sense, adjust the aspect ratio, and click Generate. Now we have a video where the character's appearance remains consistent from the first frame to the last. This becomes very clear when we look at this diagram. You can see how the prompt drives the motion and sequence, while the reference images continuously reinforce visual identity throughout the entire video. That's it for this one. We hope this gives you a clear way to create more consistent and predictable video results. We'll see you in the next.